Eli, come over here.
Alright, girl, you got money for us again?
No, not this guy.
No, not the street.
Yes. Wow. You with your bikini. Oh. Wow.
He got the new lights, dude. Look at the lights on the back.
Okay.
Stop.
I see your children's flashing though.
What y'all doing?